Hello my fellow Chef Knives Enthusiasts. For the past couple of weeks I have been traveling in Thailand. Been to Phuket, been to Bangkok, but now I am chilling on Bali. I'm on vacation and I didn't plan to do anything Chef Knives Enthusiast related. I was expecting a month of having so much nothing to do, but yeah, of course, being a knife nerd, you can't turn that off. So whenever I get the chance to visit a cool knife store or meet up with other knife nerds, I'm pretty much up for it, of course. So without further ado, let's have a quick look at the Cutboy store in Bangkok.
Chef Enthusiast. Chef Enthusiast.
So when I was in Bangkok, Thailand, I visited the Cutboy knife store. My friend Mark Rice brought me there. Cutboy in Bangkok is run by Sam, a very friendly, nice guy with positive vibes. It's pretty cool to see that even in these poorer countries, Japanese knives are now going to find their way to kitchen professionals. Of course, they cannot afford the very high-end top-tier Japanese knives, but Cutboy did have a couple of onyaki blades by Satoshi Nakagawa. And of course, since Cutboy is located in Bangkok, Sam also supports these small Thai blacksmiths doing their blacksmithing in their free time. It's definitely not their full-time profession. But yeah, some of the blades that he showed me were pretty cool looking. They were not perfectly made and they had a few little inconsistencies, and the spines were not completely straight and the bevels were not completely even. But hey, for people that are doing something as a hobby on the side, these knives were looking pretty cool. The Cutboy store displays the knives really nicely. Knives from the likes of Sakai, Takayuki, Yukurusaki, Mac, Misono, Tojiro, Takeshi Saji, Satoshi Nakagawa. Sam, he also added a little space where he can give sharpening courses or demonstrations. So yeah, he's doing cool stuff. Whenever you find yourself traveling in Thailand and hanging around in Bangkok, I would definitely recommend visiting the Cutboy store, have a little chat with Sam, and perhaps support his store or some Thai makers by purchasing something.
Chef Enthusiast. Chef Enthusiast.